Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to hide folders in Windows. Okay, it's a very easy process and let me show you. For example, I'm opening a drive and I've already created one folder known as personal stuff. Although it's empty, I've just created one folder. You can see this. Okay, so and I suppose I want to hide this folder, so I will right click on this folder. I'll go to show more options, then click on properties, and okay, if I click on properties, you can see in general there's a hidden button option given over here. And one more thing I would want to tell that this is same for all version of Windows, like Windows XP, Windows 7, or whatever version you are using. Okay, just click on hidden. Okay, then click on apply, then click on okay. See, it's gone. And now suppose I'm going back to my drive and I want to access the folder which I've hidden, which is already hidden. Okay, so I'll click on view, I will go to show option, then here you can see hidden items. I will just click on this and see the folder is back. See, I think got many other hidden folders as well. Okay, so now if you want to undo, like you do not want to hide this, you want to make it as a normal folder. Okay, so it's the process is again very easy. Just click on right click, show more option, properties, then in general just uncheck this hidden box, then click on apply and okay. Okay, so now it's visible. Now I'm going to turn off the hidden items. See, it's here. It's very easy. Let me know if you face any problem in the comment section. I'm probably going to help sort the problem out. Okay.